my name is Camilla. Today we're going to be doing our nails. So I'm going to go over some nail care items and then we're going to talk about how I take care of my nails, I guess. So right now my nails are kind of long, so I do require a trim. Before I do that, I wanted to go over some basic nail care. Invest in a good hand cream. This one in particular I got from HomeSense, I think. And it's some New Zealand company. It's Manuka honey. It's got a very low fragrance. I don't like hand creams that are too scented because I wear perfume and deodorant every day and those have different smells and I don't want the hand cream to kind of conflict with my overall scent I have every day. So that's one of the things you should do, is invest in a good hand cream. I put on hand cream every morning before I go to work, as well as the other thing that I do is I put on nail oil. This one in particular is by Sally Hansen Cuticle Rehab, and what's great about this, it's got a brush applicator and you just kind of squeeze the tube. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm about to do my nails. You squeeze the tube and then you just brush it onto your cuticles and then just massage it in. And it's really great when paired with the hand cream, especially if you're in an office position or an office job where you're constantly either filing or you have to just be using your hands a lot, or papers, paper cuts, anything like that. If you moisturize your hands well and use the cuticle oil, it will help immensely, and you can thank me later when you get a lot less paper cuts when you're doing that filing. So let's begin. One of the things that I use is this really wholehearty nail kit, and it's pretty high tech. Like, it's got a lot of different products, a lot of different tools to make your hands look beautiful. For today, I'm literally just trimming them, so I'm only going to need this and that. And I might need this. I don't cut my cuticles, I just do little trimmings if there's something bothering me, and then my all-time favorite, this little scraper guy. So that's essentially the kit there. This was a gift. I don't know where they ordered it from, and you need a nice manicure set, and then you'll have really nice nails. So I'm just gonna put this into view here. All the different things. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, I think this. So I'm gonna examine. This is really weird having this angle. I'm gonna examine and see and just kind of just scrape anything debris, or I always use that word, anything that shouldn't be there. If you're some extra skin or cuticle, I don't know. I don't know the terms. This is just what I do. I just kind of do that. A lot of people ask me how to keep your nails long like this. You just have to be super aware and just make sure when you're opening doors or if you're washing dishes, just make sure you're not grabbing it blindly. Like, you just have to be super dainty, just kind of like gently grab things and just be mindful you have long nails. Some of it's genetics, so some people literally cannot grow nails that long, and they'll never grow it, and there's no oil or vitamin E solution or whatever that can help them, and that's understandable, and there's nothing wrong with that. Oh, I just see this little guy here. I'm just gonna do that. I am right-handed, and my right hand, because I hold my pen funny, I hold it like this all the time, and it rests on here, and I get this gnarly cuticle thing. Another thing when you start doing your nails yourself is that you get really good being left-handed. So that part is done. The next thing we're gonna do is like I don't know, this might be controversial what I'm about to do. So I honestly, like, for my lifestyle, these are just a touch long for me. Like, this hand is okay. This hand is a little long. So I'm gonna try to the best of my ability, try to trim these. So let me start with, these are okay. This first nail is kind of long. So I take these scissors and I just don't go like this. I just kind of go at the top here and just trim it a little bit so it looks a little wacky right now. what I do is I'll take the nail file. So one side is smooth, one side is more rough. So we're gonna start with the smooth side just to kind of shape it. So I do this pretty quick. I heard that the best method is to use a glass file. A manicure like this takes me about, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes, depending. If I'm painting my nails as well that day, then longer, I guess. But I'm pretty quick though. Oh yeah, it's a lot better. I think I might trim the rest of them in that fashion. The reason why I cut them a little bit shorter is that sometimes at this length my nails are prone to breaking. As you can see, my little thumb here, he's quite short. I did break him the other day. So it does happen. It's not, don't stress about it. There's no need to cut all of them to be the same length and give up on growing them. I just feel it's just one guy, right? And I always, out of all my fingernails, I always break the thumb every time. I'm so sorry to anyone that hates this sound. I'll put some nice music, don't worry. I think the shape of the nail is all a matter of preference. I prefer round, it's just easier to maintain. I've never had them square. Oh, that length is so much more beautiful. I love that. So much nicer. Can I focus? No. So much better. It's so much more manageable. There's that little piece gone. It's getting way too long. But now like this finger is not the same. Yeah, oh my goodness. Oh my god, I cut it in such a weird way. This is probably why this is not recommended to do it this way, but this is how I do it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It works. It works. It works. Are they all even? All right. So now we're going to get to the nail painting. But we're going to be using this nail primer. It's by Sally Hansen. When you do paint your nails, I would highly suggest putting a base coat on first, letting that dry for at least a minute, and then apply the nail color. I've tried other base coats and it doesn't work as well as this one does. So we're gonna paint it. When you apply the base coat, you do want it thin. I said thick earlier, didn't I? I'm so dumb. But you want thin coats. So while that needs to dry, we can talk about China glaze. Yes. What I like about China glaze is the brush. I can open it without messing up my freaking nails. I don't know, like the formula for the nail polish is very good consistency. I've never had an issue, it's never been gloopy or anything like that. And I like the brush that it's a lot smaller and I'm able to use it to kind of get full coverage on my nails when I paint them. Do you do the nail dance? I do the nail dance. I think that's good. I'm gonna paint it now. Oh, don't forget to shake it first. Okay, when you are painting, you do want not too much of the nail color. You want thin coats. It will dry faster. And then when you do the second coat, it'll be easier for you. Ooh, I think I screwed up the coat there. Great. That's okay. Just make it thicker, I guess. Okay. I'm really bad at like not touching the bottom. And I'm just going to line it underneath. This makes your manicure last longer. We go around the edge there. That needs to dry for a few minutes before either A, you add the second coat, or B, you add a top coat. If I do add a top coat, then I will add this guy here, and it's by OPI. It's the High Shining Top Coat, and it does a really great job, and it makes your manicures extra glossy. So there you have it. So that's how I do my nails. So the next time you decide to do your nails, take some of my advice and you'll have a longer lasting manicure. Until next video, have a great day and good luck.